Okay, so to do the insert, which will go inside your pyramid, right inside of here, so that way it's not just a plain white piece of paper, you're going to need to get your regular, same sheet of paper you've been using, which is, you know, about 5 inches or 6 inches by 6 inches. Same sheet of paper, but how do we cut it down to this proportion? And so if you look at this diagram, we're going to first do a diagonal, then we're going to bisect that diagonal, and then from there we can get your vertical and horizontal folds to then extrapolate this square. So here we have what I'm going to use as my insert for one of these. And the first thing we're going to do, I had pre-folded this to make it easy. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to create that diagonal that we see right in here. So we're going to fold it. We've got our diagonal. Then we need to create this other diagonal fold that bisects this angle. So we're going to create that other diagonal fold right in here. Okay. Now we've done that. And this fold is so that we can get this point. Okay, so we're going to line up this point, and we're going to be perfectly parallel to the edge of our paper, and we're going to meet right in here. So what happens, you know, and usually it's nicer to do it, you know, to turn the paper around and fold it, and you're going to see it's going to meet this corner, this point, with this angle right in here. So now I've got this fold. So we're going to see that it meets right there. And when I got that fold, you know, part of it is to make sure that we are lined up right along this edge. Not like this or not like that, but really right there. So now I've got this fold, and right there I'm going to do this fold. And when I unfold it, which is very much what's happening here, this is the square that I need, and this is my square that I need. So we're going to go ahead and cut that piece out. Okay. And what I did was I applied a little bit of water on the edges rather than using scissors. Alright, this is what I want. Now that I have this piece, alright, we're going to go ahead and keep this fold right here. I'm going to do another fold right in here. Alright. And so we're going to turn our paper over to the colored side, and we're going to go ahead and do a valley fold to the middle, do another one here, and we're going to have to do, now it wants us to do a mountain here, right? That's what we're looking at right there. So we're going to go ahead. Got a mountain. And another mountain. Let's see what our next step is. And what we are going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open these all up, fold these back in, and this is what we want. We want like this. So we have this, and we want this. Now, if I come back to my piece here, and I go ahead and open this up gently, this up. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, put our piece in here, and we're going to put it underneath. There's one piece. Let's go ahead and let's fold these up again. Alright. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this underneath. Underneath. Now we have a different kind of inside, and then we're going to fold these back in, fold these back in, alright. And we now have a different interior base. Okay, and what we can do is you can add little dabs of glue in here just so that these can stay back. Here I have a checkered base. You can use maybe some thick, glittery paper, or you can even maybe cut out a square piece of furry fabric to put inside, or a mirror kind of like paper to put inside. And that's basically it. That's how we do the insert.